Hi, hello, welcome to HashLearn. I am Vandana, your maths faculty. Children, we are discussing the JEE level problems in binomial theorem. Before starting to the class, let us discuss the CPP question where many of you people went wrong. Here goes your question. Children, see the coefficient of x power n in the expansion of this. What we are learning? We are learning the binomial expansion. If bi means two terms, if two terms are there, we can easily expand the theorem. So, first my intention is to make the given question as two terms. How I am going to make it is a trinomial, three terms are present over there. Okay. So, first find out it is a quadratic equation. Find out the factors for this. If you find the factors for the given quadratic equation, you will get like this. Okay, so this can be written as whole power minus 1 is there. So this can be written as 1 divided by, isn't it? 2 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2. Clear, right? Yes. Now 1 divided by 1 minus 5x, 1 minus 4x. Hello Devi Priya, good afternoon. Now using partial fraction, that we are learning it in the plus 2, but you can make this using partial fraction. You can split this, or you can take, you can like 1 plus or 1 minus with the coefficient 5 plus 4, maybe you will get the answer, or 5 minus 4 you will get the answer. Very simple things. So 5 divided by 1 minus 5x minus 4 divided by 1 minus 4x. Yes, Satak. Yes, good afternoon. Yes, I am fine, Devi Priya. Now, if you want, you just do the cross multiplication and cross verify with this. Again, I will get the same equation. Okay. Now, take this to the numerator. How we will take? If I am taking to the numerator, I can write this as whole power minus 1. This I can take it as 1 minus 4x whole power minus 1. Now you apply the binomial theorem. So what is the binomial theorem? Here also minus, here also minus. Minus into minus, all the terms I will get it as plus. 1 plus 5x plus 5x square, like that. If you want, you check 5c0, 5c1, even though you will get the same thing. Right? Next, here also 4 is out of the expansion. This can be written as, suppose if you have 1 plus 4x whole power minus 1, you will get alternatively plus or minus. But here also minus, here also minus, whole expansion I will get plus. So 1 plus 4x, 4x whole square, so on 4x whole power n. Actually now what I want to find out? I wanted to find out x power n coefficient. What is the x power n coefficient, children, here? 5 power n, but outside 1 5 is there. So 5 into 5 power n is nothing is there, means whole power 1. When the bases are equal, I can add the numerators, that is n plus 1. Here also same thing, the coefficient of x power n is here only 4 power n, but if you multiply with the 4, you will get 4 into 4 power n, that is 5 power n plus 1 minus 4 power n plus 1. So the option is B, but most of you people chosen the answer as D. So if you have any doubts, now itself you can clarify with this. I hope this is clear to you people. Yes, Akash, good afternoon. Yes, let us start the JEE. Today our goals are problems on binomial theorem, which is JEE level problems. Okay, so we will discuss all the JEE level problems, and let us go with the shortcuts. I'll give you all the shortcuts. NC0, NC1, the sum of all the binomial coefficients, NC2 and so on, plus NCn is equal to 2 power n, the shortcut, first one. The second one is the sum of the only even coefficients, like NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 and so on. The last one is even term, till even number, 2 power n minus 1. The same way NC1, NC3, so on, The odd terms and even terms both are same, that is 2 power n minus 1. You can apply that formula directly. Okay, next. Next one I told you, when NCR is equal to NCK. Suppose if I am telling NC2 is equal to, 7C2 is equal to 7C5. Here I will get two cases. First case is case 1, R must be equal to K. The first is that everyone knew these two must be equal. So, R must be equal to K. Now, what is the second case? This I already told in the previous classes, that is case 2, R plus K must be equal to N. If you want, you see 7C2 is equal to 7C5. Now you add these two. 2 plus 5 should give you N, that is 2 plus 5 is 7, right? Next, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is N plus 1 CR. This also we learnt, that is 5C3 consecutive terms. R and R minus 1 is what? Consecutive terms. 5C3 plus 5C4, directly I can write it as 6C4. Why? Because here what is your N value? Your N value is 5. Here you will get 5 plus 1, that is 6C4. I am clear, right? So the next one is NCR divided by NCR minus 1. Previously we learnt, if you are adding the consecutive terms, what will happen? If you divide the consecutive terms, what is the formula? That is N minus R plus 1 divided by R, right? So these are the shortcuts. If I remember something else, I will come back to you and I will tell you. Fine? Yes, let us start the class. This is 2015 offline paper question. This is 2015 question. Let us discuss this question, okay? The sum of the coefficients. The sum of the coefficients of integral powers of x in the binomial expansion of 1 minus 2 root x. What is the meaning of integral powers of x? Let us discuss later. First, let us understand what is the expansion. See, the given question is 1 minus 2 root x whole power 50. Clear? Is equal to, usually how I used to explain, a plus b whole power n. NC0, the first term, the subtraction of these two, n minus 0 is n, b power 0. NC1, a power n minus 1, b power 1, like this. Now you just expand this binomial coefficient. See children, 50C0. What is the first term over here? That is 1 power 50. The next term is minus 2 root x whole power 0 plus 50C1, 1 power 50 minus 1 is 49 minus 2 root x whole power 1. Next term is 50C2, 1 power 48 minus 2 root x whole square, and so on. Now, what is the integral power? Integers is called integral powers. So now here you observe children. Here I will get the power as 1. Here I will get x power is whole power 1 by 2, which is a fraction, not an integer. But if you go for this, plus 50C2 minus into minus plus 2 square into root x whole square, what I will get? X I will get. isn't it? So, from where and all I am getting the integral powers? In the first term and in the third term and in the fifth term. It goes like this. So, what is there in those terms? Let me write. So, I want the sum. Otherwise, the sum of the coefficient when they ask, immediately I would have written f of 1. That is a shortcut, right? We told you in the function wherever x is there, we used to write 1. That gives the whole sum of the given question. But here I want only the integral powers of x. So, the sum is equal to, which is giving the integral sum, just now I told you 50c0, next 50c2, 2 square into x. What will be the next term? Yes, even term, 50c4, 2 power 4 into x power 4 and so on. The last term also even number, so that is so on, plus 50c50, 2 power 50, x power 50. Do I am clear? Yes. So, wherever if you want the sum of the given coefficient, the immediate step what we will do, put x is equal to 1. Usually we will do that, right? So, let us write that. Put x is equal to 1 in the given equation. Wherever x is there, if I am writing 1 power 4, 1 power 50 like that, that is not a big deal. 1 power crore also it gives us only 1 only. So, the sum is equal to, the sum is 50c0 plus 50c2 into 2 square plus 50c4 2 power 4 and so on 50c50. Now children, usually what is the expansion of binomial coefficient? 1 plus x whole power n is nc0 x power 0, nc1 x power 1, nc2 yeah, okay Hitesh Jain, no, okay, it is, yes, because, yeah, correct, what you said is correct, so it will be 25, correct, thank you. nc2 x square and so on. This is the usually we will expand the binomial theorem like this, x power n. But what I want the sum of the coefficient. Usually what I will substitute, put x is equal to 1. But that will not useful for me if I put in place of x, if I put 1, that is not useful for me. If I put x is equal to 1, just substitute x is equal to 2, because see here I have 2 square, 2 power 4 and 2 power 50 like that terms. So, what I am going to substitute? I am going to substitute x is equal to 2. Please write here 1 plus 2 whole power n is equal to nc0, and we will directly put here itself n value also 50, because again one more step is not required. Here itself I will make it as whole power 50, n value I took it as 50. 50c0 plus here 2 power 0, 2 power 0 is 1 only. Next 50c1 2 power 1, 50c2 2 square plus and so on. Children, one thing we have to observe over here. In the previous statement, I don't have 50c1, all the even terms was there. Here, I am getting the odd terms also. Yes, now we put x is equal to minus 2, because why I am doing this? To cancel this 50c1, the odd terms. I would like to cancel those terms. I don't want those kind of terms. So, what I am doing in the given equation itself, I am going to substitute x is equal to minus 2. If I put x is equal to minus 2, what will happen? Look at here, 1 minus 2 whole power n is equal to 50C0 minus, because minus 2 whole power 1, no, minus 50C1 2 power 1 minus 2 whole square. So, there I will get plus 50C2 2 square and so on. This is equation number 2. Now, you just solve 1 and 2. If I solve 1 and 2, what I will get? Look at here, children. This plus and this minus will get cancelled. Like that, all the odd terms will get cancelled. I will be left out with the term 50C0, 50C0. I am adding over here. What I will get? 2 into 50C0 plus 50C2 plus 50C4 and so on. All the even terms, whatever I want, I will get here. Now, this side you see 1 plus 2 how much? It is 3 power 50 plus 1 minus 2 whole power n is how much? It is minus 1 whole power 50, no? Wait. This should be 50. Minus 1 whole power 50, even number it is 1. So, this is 1, that is equal to 50C0, 50C2 plus 50C4 and so on. If it comes as equal to this side, 3 power 50 plus 1 divided by 2. So, that is what I want, right? Where I am getting the integral powers? Only for the even terms. So, I want the sum of the even coefficient. So, what is the sum here? 3 power 50 plus 1 divided by 2. So, which option it is? Option A. Clear, children? Yes, let us go for the next question. This is 2014 online question. The coefficient of x power 1012 in the expansion of, I told you many times, if it is a binomial term, only 2 terms are there, then I can use the binomial expansion. So, make it as 2 terms. How? Trinomial I will make. See, the given term is 1 plus x power n plus x power 253 whole power 10. How will I make it as only 2 terms, children? Like this. Now, this is 1 term, this is 1 term. Now, you expand using binomial coefficient, binomial theorem, sorry. Yes, what is that? What is the first term? 10C0, 1 plus x power n whole power 10, x power 253 whole power 0. Next term is 10C1, 1 plus x power n whole power 9 into x power 253. Why many spikes? Wait, let me erase it. No sound for you. Why? Sound is coming. No. No sound. It is Jain. What happened? X power 253 whole power 1. Like this, I want 1012. Now, we have the expansion of in whole power 10. If I want it here, only whole power 10 is there. I want 1012. So, n with the n I won't get 1012. I should get with this multiple, where I will get 253 4s are. How much 253 4s are, you see? 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are, yes, 1012 once again. If you multiply, you will get it, right. So, till 10C4, 1 plus x power n whole power 6, x power 253 whole power 4 and so on. Now actually I want the coefficient of x power 1 0. So where I will get this gives you the x power. Yes, audio is clear? Okay, Apeksha. Then only for Hitesh Jain y 1 0 1 2. Now I want the coefficient of it. What is the coefficient? See, only the variable is called coefficient. You cannot take this x also as a coefficient. So this is your coefficient. What is the coefficient? 10C4 is the coefficient of x power 1 0 1 2. Clear, children? Yes. Right? Yes. Next. This is the contest time. Before going to the contest, let us discuss the previous class contest question. I told you, if P and Q are equal, the shortcut I taught you, then how to find out the n value? It has to follow the condition as P plus Q must be equal to n plus 2. I told you already, whatever the expansion it is, it has to follow this. Here, which terms are equal? 8th and 12th terms are equal. So, what condition it has to follow? 12 plus 8 must be equal to n plus 2. So, 12 plus 2 is what? 20 minus 2 is n, so 18. Yes, it is very easy question, but no winner. Option B was the answer. Please children, get ready for today's contest question. That is also very easy. Here goes your question. Very easy, you can answer to this question. Very easiest question. Yes, your countdown starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to the class. Yes, this question also very easy questions only I am giving, but still I didn't get the answer from you people. Yes, this is also 2014 online question. Okay, if 2 plus x by 3 whole power 55 is expanded ascending powers of x and the coefficients of powers of x in 2 consecutive terms, 2 continuous terms. What is the meaning of this? Continuous terms of the expansion are equal. Then these terms are, which terms are equal they are asking, right? Look at here. First write the general term. Usually in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n or a plus b whole power a plus b, otherwise let us take a plus b whole power n, how will you write the general term? The general term is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR A power n minus R B power R. The subtraction of this, the first term of the subtraction of this. Why Devi Priya, you are not getting the video? What happened? Maybe you have some internet issue. Please rectify it. B power R. So what I am telling, some terms are equal. Let me take it as TRth term and TR plus 1th term are equal. They only gave that some two terms are equal. Which terms are they? So let us find out. So TR is NC. N value here we knew, no? Children, here we knew the N value. What is your N value is 55. 55 R plus 1 means 1 is less than that. NCR will get. Here I will get 50CR minus 1. What I said, the general term, the first term. What is here first term? 2 power, correct. 2 power, the subtraction of these two, that is 55 minus R minus 1. Okay. Fine. Into the second term. What is your second term? X by 3, whatever we have here, that will come. R minus 1 is equal to, now equate to R plus 1th term. So how to write this? 55 CR 2 power, the subtraction of these two, 55 minus R, next X by 3 whole power R. Bring it to one side. How to bring? I know one shortcut. What shortcut I told you? NCR divided by NCR minus 1. That is N minus R plus 1 divided by R. The consecutive terms, the bigger number should be in the numerator. For that thing, what I will do, I will keep this side, I will bring this term because R minus 1 is less than that. I will take it to is equal to this side. What will happen? 55 CR divided by 55 CR minus 1. Remaining terms you bring it to this side, children. If you are bringing 2 power 55 minus R minus into minus plus 1, this side 2 I am bringing. So here it is multiplying, if it comes is equal to this side 2 power 55 minus R. Next term, X by 3 whole power R minus 1. This term if I am bringing to this side, X by 3 whole power R. If you solve this, just see what I said, you can apply the shortcut for this. What is the shortcut? N minus R plus 1 by R. So if you solve that, if you are taking to the numerator, you will be left out with the first term 2 into, and the second term you will be left out with 3. Everything will get cancelled. If you want, you check, otherwise you please let me know, I will explain that. Very simple thing. Is equal to, what is N, children, there? Yes, 55 minus R plus 1 divided by R. That is implies 55 plus 1 is 56 minus R divided by R. This is 3 2s are 6. Now do the cross multiplication. 6R is equal to 56 minus R. Bring it to the side. 6R plus R is equal to 56. That is 7R is equal to 56, R is equal to 8. Isn't it? Now what I said, what we took actually, TR and R plus 1 are equal. What R value I got? Now T8 must be equal to T8 plus 1, that is 8th term and 9th term are equal. So which option is correct? Option B is correct, right? Yes. Next. Yes, one more interesting question. See, observe here. This question also 2014 online. 2014 online paper 2. Online paper 2 question. Right? Children, now you observe the given equation. This is a given equation. If you are observing this, the given thing is in the geometric progression. See, these are the standard questions. For JEE, you have to follow some standard questions. Those standard questions I am giving you in the CPP as well as in the classwork also. Okay, see, if you are seeing like these kind of things, you have to think that the given, it obviously may be arithmetic or geometric. Obviously, if it is binomial theorem, it will be in the geometric progression. If you want, you see the first term. What is the first term here? First term is 1 plus x whole power 1000. This is the first term. What is the common ratio? Second term divided by first term. So, what is the common ratio? X divided by 1 plus x. Take your second term, divide with the first term, you will get the common ratio, right? Now, what is the formula for to find out the sum of terms in the geometric progression? Is the formula is a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r, and here what is the n value? 1000 is the n value. If the 1000 means total number of terms, how many terms will be there? See here, a plus b whole square means how many terms we will get? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So, 3 terms we will have. Here 1000 means how many terms I will be having? I will be having 1001 terms. Now, I want the sum of whole terms. How to find out sum of 1001 terms is A. What is your first term, children? That is 1 plus x whole power 1000, 1 minus r. What is your r? X by 1 plus x whole power 1001 divided by 1 minus r, again x by 1 plus x. Now, see, this power will come to the numerator, this power will come to the denominator. If you have like this, see, the sum is 1 plus x whole power 1000 into, take out the LCM, the cross multiplication. How much I will get here? 1 plus x whole power 1001 minus x power 1001 divided by 1 plus x whole power 1001. Here children, see, take out here also same way of taking the LCM, cross multiplication. If you cross multiply 1 plus x minus x, in the denominator I will get only 1. So, I can leave that. Now, see, you expand. If you, this term and this term will get cancelled, I am left out with the term sum is equal to 1 plus x whole power 1001 minus x power 1001. Wantedly, they are making us to arrive to this step. Why? Because what they are asking, the coefficient of x power 50. This is minus. Here there is no 50. You can leave this term. Where I will get the coefficient of x power 50? If I apply the binomial theorem, then only I will get coefficient of x power 50, isn't it? So, only here I will get the coefficient of x power 50. So, what term I will get that? Yes. How to write this? 1001 C50. Which option is that? Yes. Very good. Correct. What is, how they gave? NCR type they gave. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. With the expansion they give. If you are applying this, 1001 factorial divided by 995 factorial into 50 factorial. So, yes, Devi Priya, what you said is true. It is option D. Right? Yes. Let us go for the next question. This is also 2014 online paper. Yes, children, please observe the number of terms in the expansion of, what is the shortcut to find the number of terms? if you have, are you remembering this or not, I don't know. X power 0 plus x power 1 plus x square and so on, x power r whole power n. The number of terms in this expansion, what is the shortcut, children? Yes, n minus r plus, sorry, n plus r minus 1, c r minus 1. This is the shortcut. Plus, we have done already if it is like this, but here see, two multiples are there. So, bring it to one equation like this, then we can apply it directly, right? So, what I am going to do, in the powers of x, see, the given question is, please observe, 1 plus x whole power 101 into 1 plus x, x square minus x. Very good, you understood, no Devi Priya? Good. By seeing this 100, I am going to split this like this. How? 1 plus x into 1 plus x whole power 100, because I want only one equation. So, 1 plus x square. What is that n plus 1? Hitesh Jain. The number of terms, how will you find out? What is n over there? Oh, that one you have to, no. I am talking of if it is a binomial, you are getting confused with that. Children, Hitesh Jain, a plus b, this is bi, only two terms are there. Whole square is there means, yes, even I can say 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, now here it is not binomial. See how many terms are there? So on till x power r. A plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f whole power 100. It will be like that. Do we will sit and expand that? No. What we will do? Suppose, what I mean to say, you understood, I think so, Hitesh Jain. A plus b plus c plus d plus e whole power 5 or 6. How many terms? Means here see, your n, this gives you your n value. How many terms are there will give you r value. Now, n plus, that is 6 plus 5 minus 1, c 5 minus 1 is the formula to find out the number of terms. I hope you understood. What I was telling, yes, 1 plus x minus x whole power 100. 1 plus x into, this can be written as 1 plus x into 1 plus x square minus x whole power 100. This can be written as what? Just observe here. It is in the form of a plus b into a plus b into a square. So many spikes today. A square plus b square minus ab. What is the formula? See, we are giving the shortcuts here. So, than this, the shortcuts is with the practice only you will get. You have to complete within 1 minute. With the practice, see, if you know immediately with this step, immediately you would have arrival over here. If you want the explanation, it will take some little time. These are the shortcuts. A cube minus b cube, right? So, a cube minus b cube is the formula 1 plus x into a cube plus b cube, right? Yes, 1 plus 1 cube plus x cube whole power 100. Yes, yes Devi Priya. Now 1 plus x into 1 plus x cube whole power 100. What I did? I brought the given question to the binomial only with the two terms. Now you just expand this 1 plus x into, if I expand, what I will get? 100C0 1 power 100 or 100C1 x power 1 100C2 x square and so on. Now you multiply. Oh, it is x cube whole power 1, right? X cube whole square. You just multiply with 1 and you just multiply with x. If I multiply with 100, 100C0 plus 100C1 x cube plus 100C2 x power 6 and so on. The next term is plus x into 100C0 plus 100C1 x cube plus and so on, like this. If you multiply with x also, the number of terms, but here don't worry about this. These are the multiples of 3, and here if you multiply with x, here I will get the multiples of 3r plus 1 or like this. It's okay, but number of terms will not change, right? It's not affecting the number of terms. So that means 100 means how many terms? It is binomial, right? How many terms I will have totally? Totally I will have 101 terms here. Here also it is not affecting the total number of terms. It is affecting the power of x. So here also I will get the total number of terms. Here also 100 only, right? I will get 101 terms. So this is plus. In the first set I have 101 terms. In the second set I have 101 terms. So totally I have 202 terms I will be having. Right? You understood, right? Yes. See, it's becoming little lengthy because I am giving all the explanation why it is not affecting the total number of terms. Once if you understood the logic, within 1 minute you can do it. Not an issue. Yes, children. Today problems on binomial theorem we did, and we discussed so many shortcuts also. So each shortcut is very, very important for you. You have to practice. Okay. Now I discussed many previous year questions. In the CPP also I gave so many previous year questions and gave the shortcuts also. Please don't forget to solve those questions, and please don't forget to share with your friends. The passport users, right away you can start solving the questions. The remaining children, the people who all are not upgraded yourself, please opt for the passport and upgrade yourself. Thanks for joining with us. Passport users, all the best to you.